System files corrupted by the Apphelp library DLL failure? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I have the verified steps to repair your Windows installation immediately. To kick off the Apphelp library walkthrough, I've linked a professional resource to help maintain system-level configuration. This DLL file is the Windows Application Compatibility Client library. It manages the application of compatibility shims and blocks known incompatible apps from running to prevent system instability or crashes. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. This is a Windows integrity issue involving a protected system file. Use an administrator command prompt to run sfc/scan now and allow Windows to automatically repair files like the Apphelp library DLL. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Apphelp library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. Replacing the Apphelp library without a proper diagnostic environment can lead to DLL hell, where multiple conflicting versions of the library paralyze your operating system's ability to load software. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. The diagnostic utility reference below offers general information for managing the Apphelp library and maintaining system health. Thank you for trusting us with your system repair today. For more configuration tips and the Apphelp library error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.